Today I am gonna tell you about scratch disk error in Photoshop. This error due to shortage of space in the disk you install software. This error makes your command incomplete and not initialize or open a Photoshop. First of all, you clear the space of the drive in which you install a software. Then open a Photoshop. Now Photoshop initialize or open. Then click on the edit button on the right upper corner of the screen of the Photoshop software. A drop down menu open. Go down and click on the preferences, then on a scratch on the side open menu. Here you see the numbers of disk in your PC. Now select one more disk for scratch data stored. After you select it, error is removed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, subscribe it.